planning on this friendship day?
This friendship day, I'm planning to have a surprise party for my friend. I mean, it's going to be a sleepover most probably. I'm going to call my best friend and some other friends from my locality, all the girls only, and we'll have a sleepover at my place and some small party. We'll eat together, we'll make friendship bands together, tie each other, we'll give small goodies and cards to each other. That's how I'm planning to make it special this year.
Saryam, what makes this friendship day special for you?
Friends. Friends make it.
You've got many friends.
Yeah, almost the half the college is my friend.
Okay, great. And you're spending this friendship day today with most of your friends.
Yeah, as it's my first year, so I'll be celebrating it like never gonna come back kind of. So I'll be enjoying it a lot.
Do you remember any one incident happened on friendship day which you still cherish and it's very special to you?
Yeah, actually, I was once in my school. The highest number I was having bands, highest number of bands. So I actually won a prize. So I would not forget that.
Any best friend of yours?
Yes, my best friend, her name is Aditi Sikwera. She's from Margao. She hasn't come yet. I'm just waiting for her, and she's very special. She's one special person in my life because she makes me happy. She doesn't let me be sad, and she's the one person I can rely on, I can trust on. She's very trustworthy. She's very helpful. I mean, I'm incomplete without her. So is she. That's what she says. And we are best of friends. We are soul sisters, not only friends.
Any special moments you remember of your friendship, with your best friend?
Yeah, I remember in that Kakulo mall. Once I slipped from the staircase and I had fallen down on top. So I had some wounds on my body and all. So my parents are mostly on abroad. So my friends were there at that time to help me out. So I just miss them a lot.
Okay. Any special moment you remember on friendship day? Something special?
I remember this one biggest moment of my life, I can say. I went to Delhi last year as I was studying in Delhi. So one of my old friends, she called me and she didn't tell me anything. She just told me to come and meet her somewhere. When I reached that place, I saw everything was decorated. There were cakes, there were candles, and a big, huge card. And everybody had written something about me, all my friends, and I saw them, That was a surprise party they had planned for me, and I felt really special.
Prudent Media's viewers, any message on this friendship day? All
Yes.
of you, together.
I guess the whole thing is make some time for your friends.
Be friends forever.
Yeah. At least this Sunday, try to take some time out of your schedule and spend some time with your friends. And I guess the whole point is valuing your friends.
And being with them forever. No matter how much you fight, whatever, just go back, make friends. And be with them.
And pay for the party.
No, I would not suggest you to pay for all of them.
Anything you want to wish our Prudent Media viewers on friendship
Yeah,
day?
I would like to wish all the viewers a very happy friendship day. Wish all your friends have fun, have a blast on this day. And please do not fight with your friends because they are precious gems in your life. You rarely find true friends. So just be happy and have fun.
हम नहीं